Hi, this is Abhishek Ranjan. Welcome to my video session. So in this session I am going to talk about Windows Form using C Sharp. So I have created a window form. The topic is placement detail of the students. So my form, the first page of my form will have a login for the admin, and it will also have a login for the users. So when the admin has login into the form, the page will look like something like this. There will be four options: select, insert, delete, update, and then there will be options like inserting registration number, name, email ID, phone number, marks, and college marks. And at last I will be displaying all the details whatever has been entered. And if the user has login, so the details will view only, our access will is only given, so he will only able to see the details. Now so let's see whatever concept I use for designing this. So for the first page, the login concept is like there. So I'm taking out the username and the password from the text box 1 and 2, and then I'm checking it. If it is a username is admin and the password is 123, then it's showing success. And if the form is like username and password 3, then it is sorry, if the admin has login, so I'm creating a form 2 object and then I'm displaying that form. And if the user has login, so a form 3 has been created and it has been displayed. And if the credential doesn't match with the above two condition, then it will show retry. Then if users admin has login, then there will be options for inserting. So this is a insert logic. So first we will create a connection between our database. So my database is, the database which I am using is SQL Server Management Studio. So till it is opening, I will explain the code. So now the SQL connection, after creating the string which is going to connect with our database, we will do the connection part, and then we will open the connection. Then there is a insert command in SQL command insert, creating a new object, and then the code is like insert into student details values of every field which I am taking, and then connection. It is same like in web development how we do the database connection. Then after that we are using a predefined function, insert parameter, and dot add is a function which takes a parameter as a which field you are giving, and then the type of that field. So I am giving a registration number, then the registration number type, its length is value, and it will be stored to this parameter and it will transfer to the. After that it is a insert execute non-query, so it will execute and nothing else is going to be affected inside, only the row is going to affect in the database and no result is going to be displayed here. After that, for deletion, here is the code, the same connection is being done. After that the delete query is being written, delete from student where registration number whichever I mentioned is will be deleted from the database. And after that the updation is here. So for updating I am taking the registration number and I'm just changing the name of a person whichever I want to update. So the thing is that I am going to take the parameter value from the add parameter, and then here is the SQL type nchar, which is its, I can say, which is its data type and its length. So it is the same process which I am going to follow for every query writing. So we will see the database. So this is a database of my project. So this is my server name on which I have done connection. So inside the database folder my database will be there. This is the placement folder. Inside the table there is a student detail database. I am selecting top 100 rows, so some of the data which I have done previously is going to be displayed. So these are the data which I have inserted previously. So you can see registration number, name, email ID, phone number, 10th marks, 12th marks and college marks has been displayed. So now I'm going to run the program. So the form appears, so I'm going to give admin and then 123 as a password and then I'm logging. So it's showing success is there and the second form has been it has been appeared. So now I am selecting the value of CS001 and I'm seeing the what is the college marks of it. So it is displaying first the connection is done and the college mark is 78. Now I'm inserting some value here. Now I'm going to insert some value. So for inserting we'll just check which registration number is not there. So okay. So CS004 name I'm going to give Ajay, email ID ajay@gmail.com, phone number 12456, 10th marks 97, 86, then college marks is 55. Then I'm just giving insert here. So it's showing connection successfully done and it is inserted also. So for seeing it is been inserted, I have to again execute the code, or you can just directly check in the database, just execute it and you will check CS004 Ajay the details has been entered. Now if I want to delete something, so again I have to give admin 123 login. So if I want to delete registration number, before deleting I am just trying to update CS005 to the name. I am going to change it Ranjan. So now I am updating here. So after going there, then I am just executing. So here you can see the name has been changed to Ranjan. Now if I want to delete value, so I'm just deleting the CS005 value. So I'm just given here click. Now if I execute it here, so you'll see 005 is there deleted. Now again if I log in, then you will see that in a view mode the value of 005 is not there. So how the user will log in and what is the display form will be there. I'm just running it again and I will do the user login part. User 123. So in user only I can check the data. So you can see 005 has been removed as I deleted the part and it has been updated in the Ajay part.